Health Minister L. Jayantakumar says Manipur AIDS Control Society are initiating efforts to form a separate HIV or AIDS police policy in the state on the occasion of World AIDS Day today. And a combined team of Imphal East Commando and Assam Rifles arrest two miscreants with armaments. NAB PS along with Taubal Commando team also arrest four miscreants with possession of 1 lakh WY tablets. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News, and I'm Premi Thangtum bringing you top stories. Manipur also joined the rest of the world in observing World AIDS Day today. Manipur AIDS Control Society held an event at First Manipur Rifles Ground. Speaking at the event, Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar said that Manipur AIDS Control Society are initiating efforts to form a separate HIV/AIDS policy for the state at the earliest, asserting that the central government has already formed a separate policy for HIV/AIDS. He maintained that suggestions are being taken from the various NGOs to form the same in the state. He asserted that the policy will facilitate the victims battling with HIV and AIDS. He urged the people to extend their cooperation in curbing HIV/AIDS from the state. He further appealed to HIV/AIDS victims to remain strong and extend their assistance to the public for the welfare of the society. Education Minister Thautom Radheshyam and top officials took part in the event. Students winners of the painting competition held on the occasion, along with NGOs and individuals working for HIV/AIDS, were also felicitated on the occasion.
Masi eradicate tawna hona bana haibe je ai khakta na ngamoy chele bi NGO khakta na ngamoy laibu official khakta na ngamoy it needs total involvement of the community madula akhoi mayam gi akan makli collective effort to maduna focus tawro matung da masi tawda bi ade na haibe gi tangai bata makli po dama or kadu makli sigi matang da police matma thamen bugi central government police lai gre to matung manaba amasung air there sendok senjin tawraba ko local situation ga chanda makli police ma thamna bana haibe gi makes na kan honoring it is the process now we have taken already the suggestions NGO the ones policy
Acting on a tip of combined team of Imphal East District Commando and 6 Assam Rifle arrested 2 arms dealers along with 1 AK-56 rifle during a search operation by Manipur police in view of the ongoing Sangai festival. The miscreants are 25-year-old Khubsai Xuan Paite, son of late Lam Kinthang Paite from Sileom Wang in Churchanpur district, and 34-year-old Songthia Lam Paite, son of Kam Zamang Paite from Bukbi village. Speaking to media at SP Imphal East office, SP Jogesh Chandra Haubichum said that the team carried out search operation on commuters at Koiringa area at around 3 a.m. today. He said that the team halted a Toyota Innova for such operation, following which the vehicle fled the scene. He asserted that the team immediately chased the vehicle and caught it at Mantri Pukri. Upon conducting checks, the team recovered 1 AK-56, 3 magazine and 80 bullets from the vehicle. Upon investigating the arrested persons, it came to light that the arms were brought from Dimapur and to be delivered at Churchanpur. He further declared that the main culprit related in the arms dealing has also been identified. The arrested miscreants along with the seized items were handed over to Haingang police station for further legal actions.
Ahingda nongalamdaida chaliba gari singsida arms ammunitions explosives sumaina puba chatpagi poche maroina toriba thabak sing asigi pau phangbodagi akhoise lepdabi adum chatharapani aduna akhoi Imphal East District Police amasung combined Assam Rifle gi team siga akhoi nahandagi adum chathajarakpada masi akhoina district police gi amasung akhoi toriba sing asigi achievement amani ena khalli pharaba mioi amasung khuju khulai si akhoi gi Haingang police station da sinaraga aingi tokhum thokpa masagi legal action adum chatharagani aduga masigi matungi na makha ta ba khoi dum thijan khojan ba dum akhoi adum tawhigani haibasi machim dasu thamjage. Thank you.
Meanwhile, a combined team of NAB, PS and Taubal Commando team apprehended 4 individuals in possession of huge amount of contraband World is Yours WY tablets from various areas of Taubal district yesterday. The miscreants are 32-year-old Iring Bamsomorjit alias Sumo, son of late I Basanta from Kakching Irum Mapal, Saugaicham Rohit, son of S.H. Shyamchandra from Kakching Wairi, 30-year-old Mohammad Ayub Shah, son of late Mohammad Rajmuddin, and 20-year-old Mohammad Zakir, son of late Mohammad Faizuddin from Lilong, Tolenkul. The team first arrested Somorjit and Rohit along with 1 lakh WY tablets during a frisking operation at Tentha Marongban Road at around 4 p.m. yesterday. Upon interrogating them, the team were also able to arrest Ayub Shah and Mohammad Zakir from Waito Bazaar at around 5:30 p.m. NAB PS has registered a case against them and investigations are underway. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO strongly condemned the drawings made on the walls of Kuman Lampak in relation to International Days Against Drug Abuse, as it indicates that the Meitei Pangal community of the state are involved in drug abuse. Information and Publicity Secretary of MMWO Kulakpam Adi Khan appealed to stop viewing the people of Meitei Pangal community as drug peddlers and abusers. He urged authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest. He further appealed to whoever concerned not to repeat such communal act again in future.
Manipur mitai pangan aikoi leiri bawa aikoi na leiri pase aikoi drug asigina te haiba wahi je koi thamjage masida uhaliba poraje asugumba furup amada kanglup amada atamna na uhanba poraje tawbiganu haiba poraje ngasi MMWO na leiri bawa Manipur sida leiri bawa mitai pangan bu ngaktana mitai pangan gi integrity kaidana ba aikoi punna chamina naba ima Manipur gi damakta lepi leiri haibase ai ngasi gi media gi thongda haijage asigumba mahong hutaba thawong manba mitai pangan singbu namdaba manba posak ase ngasi ai koi thauthi taisan jarage.
On the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi greets the people of Nagaland on occasion of their 57th Statehood Day celebration. We'll be right back. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Sunday Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended heartiest greetings to the people of Nagaland on the occasion of their 57th Statehood Day celebration today. The Prime Minister in his greetings extolled the people of the state for their compassion and bravery. The minister also wished for progress and prosperity of the state. Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nephew Rio, and Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, Pema Khandu, also greeted the people of Nagaland state on the occasion. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, MLA of Oinam Assembly Constituency, L. Radha Kishore, inaugurated a newly constructed water ATM booth at Kainau Gram Panchayat in Oinam under Bishnupur Gram Panchayat today. Kainau Gram Panchayat, as an implementing agent, constructed a water ATM booth under 14 Finance Commission. The water ATM booth will avail 20-litre water at 10 rupees. Speaking on the occasion, L. Radha Kishore urged the people to strive earnestly to make the state self-reliant.
Government degi ni sa ka dabna te India government degi adu to ko dabna te hai ekoi changa ka sarkar se pai ru ka da di ekoi ki budget si 100% chama da chama si India government ki budget India government pe ko paisa sinner ka lai re ba koi si mai se tham da mai se pu di ikai je ba kari ikai state da mo ore ga di state da ma ki revenue state da ma ki income compulsory income se total budget to ki 15% hai ba 15% lai to state to di ta sem ba di state ki state ta se ka ki ga da ne ba asem ba har ga di sam ko chap manana akoi state si su akoi ki own resource ma akoi ki fund ma khak akoi drive to ba change ba thabak ma ta so de hauji.
NCC Office Manipur organized a marathon event for the NCC cadets on the occasion of the 71st National Cadet Corps NCC Day 2019 today. The marathon kicked off from NCC office in DM College campus, which passed through Greater Imphal areas and finally concluded at the initial point. Cadets of various NCC wings participated in the marathon. Before end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Health Minister L. Kumar says Manipur AIDS Control Society are initiating efforts to form a separate HIV/AIDS policy in the state on the occasion of World AIDS Day today. And a combined team of Imphal East Commando and Assam Rifles arrested 2 miscreants with armaments. NAP PS along with Taupal Commando team also arrested 4 miscreants in possession of 1 lakh WY.